Thank you, Ayubowan, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all our more than 1,000 participants who have joined us on the virtual platform from 17 countries. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Dean, the head of and chair of chemistry, and all the members of the Department of Chemistry, as well as the entire Faculty of Science in celebration of its 100th year. On the 21st day of the 21st year of the 21st century, we celebrated the true birthday, but despite the impediments of COVID-19, the Dean and his members of staff and students, along with the alumni, did pledge to have a series of activities, of which this is one of the key activities during these difficult times, but connecting us all and inspiring our next generation. I echo the sentiments of both the head of chemistry and the dean science and welcome you all, as well as to state that we are extremely proud to have this star-studded galaxy of people from basically creating a global collective to inspire us as well as to connect us to look ahead to the next century in front of us. I know that chemistry is the mother of science and has helped human civilization as well as the world in problem solving. And it is also important that our students, our future, do actually learn from all these experiences, both from knowledge transfer as well as particularly being research-based with knowledge creation. And I would like to congratulate the Faculty of Science overall, as particularly the Department of Chemistry, for having high level of research activities with a wonderful production and an array of PhD holders, as well as more than 150 PhD students registered in the postgraduate program of the entire faculty. I would also like to pledge our very best of support to you. I know these are difficult times. We are a publicly funded university with very little resources on a comparative note, in terms of supporting research and development. But no doubt, with our human resource and with the global connectivity, we can reach our goals. I'm very happy that many of our alumni who have joined the industry and the corporate sector have not forgotten their alma mater and have continued to keep in touch from wherever they are. And the fact that our products are well received in the high-end universities is indeed something we are very proud of, although when we want to take stock of our current situation and what lies ahead, we would really encourage a reverse flow of connectivity as well as inputs. I would also like to mention at this point that in addition to all what has been stated about the science faculty, I salute you for supporting the university in establishing the much needed Faculty of Engineering with a bioengineering degree, where much of it is being shouldered by the capable people within the Faculty of Science, led by Professor Nalin De Silva. So I take this opportunity to thank you, wish you wonderful deliberations, the best of health and safety, and please stay connected. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.